Hi, Credence.
Hi, Daddy.
Can you sing our phonics song, Peekaboo Hootie Hoo, for the kids?
Sure.
Let's hear you.
Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letter do you see? I see a letter A staring back at me.
What animal starts with A?
Alligator.
Great job! Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more
BlackBerry Jam. Hi, kids. We're gonna learn a letter sounds to A to H.
Hi! Welcome to BlackBerry Jam. I'm so excited that you're here with me today. Today we're gonna learn the letter sounds from A to H. Sing and dance along. Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letters do you see? I see the letter A staring back at me. Sing along. Alligator, alligator, alligator starts with the letter A. Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letters do you see? I see the letter B staring back at me. Sing along. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly starts with the letter B. Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letter do you see? I see the letter C staring back at me. Cat, cat, cat starts with the letter C. Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letter do you see? I see the letter D staring back at me. Sing along. Dog, dog starts with the letter D. Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letter do you see? I see the letter E staring back at me. Sing along. Elephant, elephant, elephant starts with the letter E. Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letter do you see? I see the letter F staring back at me. Sing along. Flamingo, flamingo, flamingo starts with the letter F. Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letter do you see? I see the letter G staring back at me. Goat, starts with the letter G. Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letter do you see? I see the letter H staring back at me. Horse, horse starts with the letter H. Peekaboo, hooty hoo, what letters did you see? I saw the letters A to H staring at me. Great job, kids. We just learned the letter sounds from A to H. Great job singing and dancing along. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more BlackBerry Jam. And be sure to tune in next week to learn part 2 of our phonics series, Peekaboo Hooty Hoo. In the meantime, make sure that you're looking for words that start with the letters A to H. Check around your school